Okay, lesson 3, multiplying whole numbers. We got some rules. First rule, like always, line up your place values. Line up place values. Your second, you multiply each bottom number, remember hashtag means number, each bottom number by every top number. Okay, so what that means is if I have 42 times by 3, every bottom number is going to be multiplied by every top number. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. The 1 carries, there's nothing there. So 126 is my answer. Okay, 3. If you have more than 2 digits, so I'm going to say if 2 plus, 2 or more, if 2 plus digits multiplied by 2 plus 2 or more digits, you have to leave a place value 0. Okay, sometimes I call it the black hole zeros. That's sometimes what we use in class. So place value 0 for each new row. Each new row, and then you add those. Okay, let's practice. I know we did one, but we'll do kind of one of each type here. So first let's do 25 by 9. Ooh, that was a disaster of a times table there. Okay, 25 by 9. So my 9 has to get multiplied by the 5, and it must get multiplied by the 2. So 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, again, 45. So you're reading it this way. Okay, the 4 is in the 10s spot, so you must go above the 10s. Then 9 times 2 is 18, but I've carried a 4, so 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, 225 is your answer. Let's make it a little trickier. We'll talk about this place value 0 here. We'll do one like that. 14 times, let's say 27. So I need to multiply the 7 by each number, and then I multiply the 2 by each number. We're going to put them on different rows. See how we do. 4 times 7 is 28. So the 2 carries, the 8 can stay, 28. 7 times 1 is 7, but there's 2 that are being carried. So 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I did the 7s by everything. Now I have to do the 2s by everything. But because the 2s is in the 10 spot, I need to leave my little like black hole 0. Sometimes I shade it in just so you remember. So it's telling you it's going to the 10 spot, so you have to leave a 0 there. Okay? 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1. Don't forget that this is no longer a carried 2. He was from my previous one. Maybe even cross him off after we're done using him. That might be good. So 2 times 1 is 2. Now here's what I mean by adding. I then have to add these numbers together. Okay, so I just follow my rules for adding. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. So 7 can stay. The 1 must carry. 2 plus a carried 1 is 3. 378 is the answer. Let's do one more. Make it tricky though. We'll do a 3 place value by another 3 place value. Okay, so 103 by 245. Again, every number by every other number on top. So all my bottom numbers times all my top numbers. Start with 5. 5 times 3, that's 15. 5 stays, 1 carries. 5 times 0, please remember everything times 0 is 0. But I've added 1. So I add my 1. 5 times 1, anything times 1 is the other number. So 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, every time I move to a new number that I'm multiplying, I have to leave one of those little place value zeros, the black holes, leave black hole zeros. Get rid of anything that you've carried, so get rid of that carried 1 so it doesn't confuse you. And now I'm going to multiply 4 by all my top numbers. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12. Now when I carry, it still goes up above this 0 because I haven't done the 4 times 0 yet. 4 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. So I'm just filling it out, moving from left to right. But it does get confusing because you start working further ahead than what you're multiplying by. That's because you have to leave that black hole 0. Okay, 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, get rid of your carried 1 so it doesn't confuse you. Now I'm on to my 2 times every top number. But I must leave 2 black hole zeros. Notice I'm lining these up, line them all up, okay? Even if that means you have to add lines, do that too. Whatever you need to keep everything from getting all jumbled. You don't want to do that. Okay. 2 times 3 is 6. I have to put it here because my black hole zeros took up those places. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. Now when I add, I have 3 columns here, 3 rows. Sorry, not columns, 3 rows. 5, 0, 0. 5 plus 0 to 0 is 5. 2, 3, 0, that's 3. 5, 6, and another 6 is 12. So the 2 can stay, the 1 must carry. 4, 5, and a 2. What is this number? Remember your place values. Okay, pause it, say this number to yourself. Hopefully you got 25,235.